Hello everyone, a very good noon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. So right now, as you can see, I am at the bank of river Shitolokka. So today, few minutes earlier, I have come here with my friend Arif. Arif actually sitting in front of me and using his mobile phone, and I'm recording a video. So just look at this. This is the river Shitolokka. Look at the river Shitolokka. Look at the water of this river Shitolokka. It's completely white at the moment because it's monsoon and it has been raining heavily from last 10 days, so that is why the color has changed. Last 1 month ago when I last time came at this place, that time I saw that the water was fully black, but now it's completely white and it's nice to see. Most of the time I see the water is black of this river. Okay, so this is the area, and right now I'm standing at the commercial area of Naranganj, where you will find so many commercial factories, and Naranganj mostly famous for produce cloths. That's why Naranganj is mostly famous. So yes, that's the thing. And the most important thing, you will in central part of Naranganj, it's quite challenging to find nature, but if you go to the opposite side of this river Shitolokka, then you will find so many natural places. So yes, this is the river Shitolokka. As you can see, so many boats actually roaming. There is a cargo boats behind me, as you can see, roaming at the river. So it's nice to be see, and I'm having a great time here. Okay, so it's a beautiful shiny day here in our city, and yes, I'm sweating as well. So just look at this. So, and this is a public place where so many people actually roaming, but don't look forward to make a video when there is no people, because as I'm living in a popular city, so it's very normal to see people come and go. But if I always look for a perfect place, for a perfect situation for making video, then I won't be able to make a video. So that's why it's very important to make video, no matter where are you, is this a public place or not. Just one thing that I can do, it's make video. Well, boy, look at this. He actually thinking what I am actually trying to do. Well, hello brother. Well, that's very nice. Really having a great time at the moment. So yes, this is the thing. Well, look at my behind. There is a ghat where people actually crossing the river. This area's name is 5 number ghat, and this is the Bondor. Okay, so Bondor Ghat actually available at the opposite direction of this river. So there are some trees also I'm seeing from here. So it's really nice, to be honest. And me and my friend Arif, we are actually roaming here and there since morning. In the morning time, Arif came to my house, and then we left our home in order to visit some places. So, and it has been a long time. I meet with my friend Arif. So now we both actually having a great time. Well, so yes, that's the thing. It's a public place, people roaming. I'm making video. Overall, it's really a nice environment. So yes, that's the thing. Okay, so nothing to say, everything is fine. So I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the very best to all of you, and don't forget to practice your English, because practice is the thing that makes you perfect. So always keep trying to practice English and learning English. That's the thing you can do, because English is very, very essential for our daily life, national life, international life. So that's why I always try to learn English. Okay, so have a great day to all of you, and take care. Have a great day.